This is the set 3 special friend, O. This is a split digraph, which means that one sound comes between the letters O and E to help it make the O sound. Let's have a look at some real words containing the O sound. Special friends, O. Fred talk, stone. Special friends, O. Fred talk, vote. Special friends, ch and o. Fred talk, choke. Special friends, O. Fred talk, alone. Special friends, f and o. Fred talk, phone. Now let's have a look at some alien words containing the O sound. Special friends, O. Fred talk, ploat. Special friends, O. Fred talk, crows. Special friends, O. Fred talk, strome. Special friends, O. Fred talk, elote.